Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to reload content on Habitica application. So how to reload content on Habitica application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Habitica app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Habitica app. Next, tap the three-line icon at the top left. And appears like this. Tap the settings icon. And tap reload content. So that's it, tutorial how to reload content on Habitica application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.